Hello there. So how to solve all your drift in DaVinci Resolve. So I have 6 steps for you. Step 1, that will be check frame rate settings. So right click on your video on the MIDI pool and clip attributes. So make sure your frame rate matches your project settings, maybe 23976 and so on and so forth. That depends on your project settings. Next one, set timeline frame before import. That will be going to File, Project Settings and Master Settings. Set your desired timeline frame rate before importing clips. That's really important. So step number 3, that would be use constant frame rate or CFR footage. So audio drift usually happens with a variable frame rate or VFR, videos common with phone screen and recordings. So convert VFR to CFR using Handbrake. To do this one, set audio, frame rate constant, and nails should be handbraking right there. Export and re-import into Resolve. Step number 4, that will be resync audio manually. Use the inspector application to nudge an audio track left or right. Zoom into the time for frame accurate syncing. Step 5, that will check audio sample rate. And see your audio files match DaVinci's default 48 kHz sample rate for that one. Now use tools like Audacity to convert if needed. And of course, step number 6, that will be rendering settings for export. When exporting, ensure the frame rate and audio settings match your timeline. Avoid mismatch export settings that can reintroduce drift. But personally, step number 2 will fix everything as well as step number 1. Anyway, that's gonna be it.